We all rely on Google Drive to store our most important photos, videos, and documents. But what if you accidentally delete an important file on Google Drive? Are they gone for good? Not necessarily. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover permanently deleted files from Google Drive using a few different methods. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future tech tip. Method 1. Check the activity panel. First, don't panic. Sometimes files aren't really deleted, they're just moved or replaced. Google Drive keeps an activity log of everything that happens. Uploads, deletions, moves, you name it. Open Google Drive. Click the info icon in the top right. Go to Activity. Scroll through and look for your missing file. If it's just been moved or replaced, you can restore it instantly. But if the activity panel shows it's actually deleted, your next stop is the trash. Deleted files don't disappear immediately. They go to the trash first, where they stick around for 30 days. Open the trash from the sidebar. Locate your file, then right-click to restore it. And just like that, the file will be moved back to its original location. But maybe you're thinking, I checked the trash and it's not there either. If that's the case, don't panic yet. If you use Google Drive for desktop, your files are synced between your computer and the cloud. And here's the good part, even if the cloud version is gone, the local version might still be in your computer's recycle bin. Just open the recycle bin. Search for the file name. Right-click the file, and then click Restore. If you've ever saved, downloaded, or synced your Google Drive files onto your computer or any removable device, you can recover them with a data recovery tool even if the recycle bin has already been empty. Here, I recommend you use Tenorshare 4DD, a professional data recovery program that can restore deleted, lost, formatted, or corrupted files from CAs, external drives, SD cards, and more. It supports 1,000 plus data types, including photos, videos, documents, and more, with simply 3 steps. Once installed, choose the recycle bin or the specific drive where your Google Drive files were originally stored. Click Scan to continue. 4DDiG will ask you to select the types of files you want to recover. Choose the ones you need. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your drive. After the scanning, you can choose files to preview and then click Recover to save them to a different partition. To avoid losing files in the future, always keep local backups, double-check before emptying trash, and use Google Drive's backup and sync. Organize your files clearly and protect your account with 2-step verification. A little prevention now can save you hours of recovery later. If this guide helped you recover your files or prevent future loss, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with a specific recovery scenario.